Hey guys, I'm Sanchit. Welcome back to our channel Breathing Space. Over here I am going to show you that why pinching or pruning of your Dianthus is very important to get flowers like I have over here. So I have categorically kept this plant untouched. That is, I have not pruned or removed the dead buds from here, but I have done this activity every week or every weekend in these three plants. Now as you can visibly see that over here the number of plants are at least 1/3 or 4th as compared to what we have over here. Now today is again a weekend and I wanted to remove these dead buds, but I thought that the experiment which I have done to see the actual result of pruning, I'll share it with you guys. So guys, here you are. So all these dead buds which I have not removed have actually resulted in less number of flowers in this particular pot as compared to the bouquet types texture over here which I have in my other Dianthus plants. So guys, for knowing how to prune the Dianthus, please look in the description box. I have already made a video of it in my other garden. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it among your friends. Take care, breathe easy.